What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today we actually caught a crazy trade, a great way to end off on a Friday and to end the week off. We've had the second profitable week in a row now, which is pretty crazy, and we're gonna keep performing, we're gonna keep showing up, and we're gonna keep doing it each and every day. I'm not gonna waste too much of you guys' time, but wait, I got one more thing. Join up the free Discord, but that's just it, and enjoy the video. I am looking to get into a NAS liquidity grab right now. This actually does look like a really good setup because of how high we are on NAS. But NAS also does not look like it wants to pull back. We've been bullish for so long, there's barely been any pullback, so we could just keep continuing up. But I am trying to take a risk on this and sell it and fill in some of the gaps. And hopefully we can get that. I'm trying to get in on break of this previous candle now. Okay, so we just got in at break of the candle. Got in like right before break of the candle, which is good, but then it did break candle. And I'm just looking to take this down now to fill in some of these gaps here and then get out before this demand here. This line that I am putting on here is 1-to-1. So once it crosses there, we hit 1-to-1 risk reward. But I am trying to hold down to this demand here, which I do think we are going to get to, which is 1-to-2. A little bit over 1-to-2 to this demand. It's literally like a 1-to-2.6 or something like that. 1-to-2.1, something like that. But hopefully we can just keep pushing down. Okay, there we got it. So we just hit 1-to-1. I am not closing any of my positions. I am just trying to take this full trade to 1-to-2. And I have lowered my stop loss. I've moved my stop loss to above this wick here. So if we get, actually even if we get to like entry again, I might just end up closing. But I just want to sculpt this even more and get more momentum to get pushed down until around about here. This is a really nice trade that we caught, and I did call it out in the Discord, so make sure you join up the free Discord, link in the description. And we are right there. I'm expecting a little bit of a pullback. Yep, that is exactly where it is. I was expecting this. I knew it was going to happen, but I still got faith that we are going to keep pushing down. Just got to let this pullback play out a bit, and that was more than what I expected, but I'm just going to keep holding this till we get to the 1-to-2, which is right here. Okay, the momentum is a bit much. Damn, we actually are pushing up a lot. I am going to continue on holding this unless we get stopped out or like gets right to the entry. I didn't expect this much of a pullback. I think if this candle flips bullish, I think I'm just about to close. We just need a little bit of a momentum push downwards, and then we're right by take profit. But I think if this candle switches for flips, I'm just gonna close, take my I think it's like an $8 win. There we go, that's what we needed. It literally just nicked the take profit. It literally just tapped it. Okay, I'm gonna just close it because it's kind of getting annoying. I know it's literally about to hit. But, okay. So I'm very glad. Okay, yeah, there, it just hit. Okay, so I'm very glad I held. I knew we were going to push down. I was getting very close to closing right up here. Right there, I was about to close. Just because I thought it was, we are bullish overall. So the market could have just done a little bit of a push down and then just kept on going up again. But thankfully, I held out these two candles, waited for this last one. There we go. Now we're pushing down to the demand here. I'm glad I held. And even if that trade went to my entry, I would have just closed. I would have taken it. And I knew I was going to get people in the comments saying, why didn't you just close? Why didn't you just close? But that I got the 1 or 2 that I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted. And I held it out. And I'm very glad I held it out, because it smashed that full 1 or 2 take profit. And this was a really simple trade. I'm going to do a quick trade breakdown. So let's just look at it. We've been bullish for a very long time. And then I just saw that we had liquidity sitting up top here. This candle here came, swept the liquidity. And once I saw the rejection down, I was like, okay, we could potentially get in this for a liquidity grab and just scalp it down a bit. And all I did was get right in at break of the candle and held it down to a 1 or 2. It was annoying with these 2 candles here, but I'm glad I held it out. This could actually keep dropping the rest of the day. I've just had 2 profitable weeks in a row now. So I'm learning, I'm slowly getting better each and every single day. And I am trying to start holding my trades a lot longer like I did today. It's like 1 to 1.5s, 1 or 2s. Like that's what I want to see. And that's what I'm trying to learn to start getting into, because it is like a different type of mental game holding from, like, I could have got out my 1 to 1, but I was like, okay, I want 1 to 2, and learning about like trying to hold the different feelings that you get. I'm glad I stuck it out, and we got rewarded from sticking out and being patient, which I am thankful for. But that is all I got in this live trading video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and that's it just from me. Make sure you guys keep grinding, keep getting to the next level, and I'm see you guys in the next video.